Hello, welcome back to Simple or Difficult. My name is Onoche Chukwode, and in this video, we're going to take a look at how you can use Quick Align Tool in 3ds Max. Now, to demonstrate how Quick Align Tool works in 3ds Max, I'm going to be using this. Okay, I want to take the throw pillows on the floor and replace it with the one that is already on the sofa because I don't like the way those ones are looking. I want to have colors going on in this scene. So I'm going to show you how to do that using the Quick Align Tool. But before we get into using this Quick Align tool, there is a core concept I want you to really understand about this tool. All right. It works with the gizmo. What is the gizmo? The gizmo is this green, red, and blue stuff that is here. Okay. That is where the object actually is. If you want to move this object now, you're going to move it as that place as a reference point for the object. So I want you to take a look at what happens when I select this throw pillow. When I select it, you find out that the gizmo is all the way over there. Let me show you what happens if I say, okay, let me do this Quick Align tool. Okay, I'll select the Quick Align tool. You select the Quick Align tool by clicking, then holding. The tool is going to drop down, and then you select the Align tool that has this flash symbol by the side. Okay, so when you do that, you select the object, all right, then select where you want to align it to. You see where it aligns to? That is because the gizmo of this sofa is at that place. So let me undo that. Let's do it again. But this time we are going to go over to hierarchy and we're going to center that gizmo to the object. The object in this case is the throw pillow, the white throw pillow. So affect pivot only, center to object. Now it's in the middle. So if I should select this, select my Quick Align tool, and then hit that throw pillow, you see, it aligns it right in the middle. So we're going to go ahead and repeat the same thing for the other throw pillows. All right. It is that simple. Select this. Okay. Let's quickly just do it for the other throw pillows. I'm going to select the affect pivot, center to object. Okay. Just like that. All right. Exactly. Yeah. So I'm just going to use the Quick Align tool. So you select the object you want to align, select the Quick Align tool, and then you select where you want to align it to. Now, I'm still having one throw pillow on the ground. So, okay. I might just select these ones and delete them. But before I do that, let me just move one of them to one side and use it to align the remaining one on the floor. Okay. When I do that, then I can delete them or do something to them. Okay. So align it. So when I do it like this, I can say, okay, we are done. I can select these other throw pillows that I don't want and then move them out or just delete them. So as you can see, we have our throw pillow and we didn't just start tweaking and moving things around. All right. So that's it for this, Quick Align tool video. That's it for this video. I hope you enjoyed it. If you did, please give me a like. And if you're new to this channel, consider subscribing. Not only subscribing, ring the notification bell so you don't miss any of my future tutorials. Thank you very much for watching this video. I'll see you in the next one.